laba abahlekayo uJesu uthuma abantu bona abahleka laba uJesu abathumile. They are laughing at the messengers of the Lord. So the 2nd Chronicles chapter 36 verse 15 iyasho ukuthi abantu baka-Israel bebahleka abaprofit the messengers of the Lord babahleka and uNkulunkulu yena bekafuna ukuthi abasindise. That's why bekathumela the prophets and the messengers to go and warn them, because the Lord wanted to spare their life. So he will spare their life by warning them ukuthi darkness is coming, rapture is coming, prepare yourself, be ready. That's why the Lord is sending the messengers and the prophets would go and tell my children, go and warn them. So iBhayibheli ithi bona bebahleka isho kanjalo la. Ithi, but they ridiculed God's messengers, ignoring his words and laughing at his prophets, until at last the Lord's anger against his people was so great that there was no escape. So ukuthi uNkulunkulu kuye kunala waye wagcina sekakwatha.
Yeah.
Then ke abantu babona ukuthi sekuyamosheke emhlabeni, ukumoshakela uNkulunkulu ukwatile manje ngoba uthumela abaprofeta nabamessenger ukuthi banitshele ukuthi uyanithanda ufuna ukuthi nibe safe. So be ready, expect the Lord, nigcine imiyalo yakhe. Ibani ne-oil kufuneka i-oil ke, angithi anifuni ukuthi ngikhulume ngeparafini, kufuneka i-oil ke. Ngoba mangithi parafini anifuni nithi sithenga iparafini. Yebo uthenga iparafini, nami nginamapakethe ayi6 wekhandlela.
Wow.
Nginamapakethe ayi6 wekhandlela, nginamabox ayi2 wementshisi, angithi ngebox lina 10 packet.
Yeah.
Ipakethe ina 10. So ngina 10. Nisithengile lezi zinto nginazo. So abantu bona bayala, brother Enigma, manje sithenga ama-candles, sithenga iparafini. So what is wrong? Those are the signs of obedience. Uzwile the warning of the Lord. So you are ready. Those are the signs of obedience. Manje again, ngale message brother Joshua akhulumile ye 23 September, baningi abantu, more than 44, the whole world, abanikeze imessage ye September. And then mina nginikezwe ye darkness. That means ke laba kati babonisa ukuthi September rapture is coming. Mina ngiboniswe darkness. Why? Because emhlabeni kuzoba mnyama. Makuba mnyama emhlabeni, the light will be there la uJesu azovela khona. Ngoba uma iBhayibheli ithi wonke amehlo azombona, it is because kuzabe kumnyama wonke amehlo. Makuthiwa wonke amehlo, even the animals, they are expecting the Lord. It is written in the book of Romans ukuthi nazo ilwane, the phoofolo kaofela, they are expecting the coming of the Lord. Wena ubona inkomo uyibona inkomo nje ayazi ukukhuluma, but iyazi ukuthi uJesu yes, because it is written in the book of Romans ukuthi all the animals, even the animals, all the creation of the Lord are expecting the coming of the Lord. Nokubona labazalwane baphakama, inkomo ziyazi, kodwa angeke inkomo ukutshela ngoba inkomo ayikhulumi njengawe ngithi, but because zidalwa uNkulunkulu uyakhona ukukhuluma nazo. Inkomo ziyazi ukuthi the Lord is coming. And then uma uJesu eza bazalwane, angeke aze abantu kune light ngaphandle, kuzabe kumnyama, so that makuvuleka phezulu, ningizwe kahle, so that makuvuleka phezulu amehlo abantu bazomangala ukuthi why la kumnyama like this lapha phansi. Abantu bazabe bamangele James ukuthi kwenzakala emhlabeni kube mnyama. Do you understand? So mabamangele bangaboni indlela zabo or whatever, lapha phezulu lapha kuzovuleka. Makuvuleka kula kuzovela ilight nani nama 200 million angels namahashi wabo amhlophe. Ihashi zimhlophe bagqoke white baneglory. Remember, glory is like a globe lezi zimhlophe.
Yeah.
Iglory yabo it's like that. Ya penetrate impatha zabe zimhlophe. Ubuhlophe bakhona buya phumelele. They are like glory. So 200 million angels bazoza na bagibela amahashi, abazalwane mabaya phezulu. Umzalwane uzaba aza ngapha, ingilozi limbambe so, umunye limbambe so. Ngoba amahashi walapha abafaki le nto le ibambe
lokubamba
bakakisale sadly or what le bayabamba. Ihashi zalapha ezulwini aziboshwa ngale nto lezi, ngoba ezulwini akuna slavery, akunanto efuna ukuthi izwe ubhlungu. Wena uyagibela ihashi landisa ngawo, angeke lukuwise ngoba ezulwini akunamuntu athi ichu. Do you understand that? So ke that's why ke ilight izophuma lapha ize la ilight izochu ala kuzabe kumnyama. So wonke amehlo azobheka phezulu ukuthi la kumnyama so kwenzakalani lapha ya.
The greatest. This is a picture of my mother. My father passed away when I was in grade 1.
So it is written in the book of Revelation ukuthi wonke amehlo azombona. Do you understand that? Yeah. So ke uNkulunkulu ke ngithi 2 weeks ago Sunday, not this Sunday, that Sunday mange ayina ngihlala phansi. uJesu athi go and tell them ngibayenzele umusa. And mange bayenzele umusa angeke ngisabatshela ngizobashaya kabuhlungu and angeke basabona into eziningi. Because manje bona uma uJesu uthumele the messenger bona bayahleka. uJesu uphana grace and mercy. Bona bayahleka bathi Enigma wamanga bathi igrace amanga.
Shiva.
Do you understand that? Hey. So mina ngize la today ngithe Grace ngiyeza. Ngifuna ukuzokhuluma nalabantwana ngoba iBhayibheli ithi kunabazalwane who are lukewarm, ababandi abachief. Uma umoya uyale bayale, mawuyale bawuyale. Mawuthiwa kunomprofeti Pastor Chris uyakiloma. Hayi wena. Sengisho ukuthi makuthiwa kuno mfundisi uprofeti sibanibani uyenza miracle. Kunabazalwane basuke ebandleni la baya lapha etenteni ngoba umfundisi walapho uyenza miracle. And what in uJesu 2018 athi go and warn my children. Ukuthi mabaloku basuke ebandleni baya kwamanye amabandla bagijimisana nama miracle. Ngizobashaya bona nalaba prophet la bamanga. Ungizwa kahle? That means uma usonta la uma kuthiwa kunomprofeti ophuma Nigeria ubeke itente enkulu eSoweto ungayi lapho kulaba prophet bamanga hlala ebandleni lakho ngoba waya lapho you will be affected ngale spirit lesakhe. Uzogcina usobona imiracle eyenzwa bo Alf Lukau abantu bagqwala kanti bayobhekelela in Syracuse.
Shiva.
Syracuse